solving this carnage, folks. But it's time for the final showdown in the Catacrom Burial Dome. There's no telling what lurks inside these walls.
Ratchet, you must defeat all your opponents in order to complete this challenge. In other words, stay alive.
They're coming up from the ground!
Here is some good news. Each time your weapon upgrades, it unlocks a new alpha modification slot for you to use.
Will the person driving a mint green Man Ray 5 please report to security? You're parked in my space! Is terminating with extreme prejudice. It's a good thing we're out of range, Juanita. We are out of range, aren't we?
Hey, Green! That zombie looks like your mom!
Excellent work, Ratchet. I must admit, I was worried. Well done, Ratchet. You have completed your first Dread Zone campaign and won a medal. You have also unlocked a new set of objectives called Dread Challenges. Earning medals and defeating Dread Challenges are the key to survival in Dread Zone.